Hello everyone, this is the final project presentation for my course ADTA 5550. There are 6 parts. The very first part, we have to search a data set of images or audio files from the internet and have to write something on the data set. The second part was to upload the CIFAR dataset into the remote server. Then the third part was we have to use the CIFAR 10 dataset to build, train and test thus our CNN model on it. Then the fourth part was we have to compare the CNN network performance between the MNIST dataset and CNN dataset. And the last part was we have to how we can improve the CNN network performance. So let me go one by one. The very first, we have to take the data set of images audio file. For this, I have used CAR 196 data set. It's a Stanford University data set I got from there. So this dataset contains 16,185 image classification and pair of 196 different classes, and this classes is splitted into 8,144 training and 8,041 test images. Each of this 196 classes is very fine grade on the order of the year, make, model of the vehicle. Although classes are fine grade, each class is visually distinct from one another. So for example, we can see this is the tree structure of the data set. So suppose the car is Acura. So there is a class 2012. Acura has 3 model: RL sedan, TL sedan and TXS sedan. Okay, let us go more into the detail. Okay, so this in this link we have the most important information about this data set. From here we can download both the data set. Let me go through this link. If you see, this is the overview of the data set. Here we can download the training images and testing images, and we can do our okay. So overview is this much image classification of 196 different classes are there. It's divided into training and test images. Each 196 is finely grained on the year, model and make, and each consists of car in the foreground against various background and view from the various angle. The quality of each image is like the focal length, lighting and positioning of a car camera varies significant from image to image. Some images are professionally taken and other are of low quality. So for example, this is the various view of the images. See, it has different background, it has different background, all of those are the different background. Then we can explain using the tree structure of the data set. So first, Acura 2012, it has 3 model, and then we can see some of the black background, like it's a different model. Then we can see the car visualization using visualization technique. It has this yellow car. Then this all together we can put into one frame and we can see the visualization. So this was very short activity. It was just to download the data, and we were we were supposed to find the data set having images audio file which was having labels. So in this I found there was 196 different classes and it can be classified into one of the label. Okay, this was the part first. Let me move to the part second. Okay, part second was we have to obtain the data set from our Canvas site, and I downloaded all the data set into my work folder, and I have to upload each of those data set into our remote server. So what I did, I went to the remote server and there was 7 file. The file was mainly first was the batches.meta, then data batch1.txt, data batch2.txt, data batch3.txt, then data batch4.txt up to data batch 5, and last was the testing. So I just uploaded one by one all the file into our server. It was uploaded into the remote directory, and 1 second, let me go through. Okay, here see, first I make one working directory which will contain all the data. It was CIFR10 data, and then I downloaded all the file in my desktop, and then we uploaded all the file to the remote server. So see here, one by one this finish. Then when we all the file uploaded into the home directory, we can easily see 1 to 5 all the data batches, and then batches.meta and test underscore this. Then the next target, as all this file is uploaded into the home directory, we have to move all this file into the data folder. The command which moves this file into the our working folder is cp. So we have to use all the file, uh, and we have to copy all the file from home directory to the data folder. So first of all, see, we use the cp command, and one by one I move all the folder. Then this is the command line window which shows how I move all the file. Then we have to go to our subfolder which name is CIFR underscore 10 underscore data, and we have to verify whether all the file has been uploaded there. So to run this command, it was cd jp and tvk and /cifr underscore data underscore data. Then we have to use this command ls/l, and see here we change the directory, then it lists all the file. So we can easily see all the files which we uploaded to the remote uh, Google Cloud has been uploaded into our working directory. And finally we have uploaded our file. We will move to